I'm sharing exact strategies that helped me earn $1.2 million in affiliate marketing in just 1 year. Let's dive into the questions. I started by researching niches that had both demand and profitable programs. I chose a niche I was passionate about. I focused on high-ticket items and recurring commissions, promoting software, online tools, and digital courses with strong programs. I used organic and paid traffic strategies. SEO and content marketing attracted organic traffic through blogs and videos. My content was valuable and action-driven. I created reviews and tutorials with clear calls to action. I used ConvertKit for email marketing, ClickFunnels for landing pages, and Ahrefs for SEO. Scaling efficiently was challenging. I learned to delegate tasks and automate processes. To stand out, I focused on unique content and shared personal experiences and case studies. It took about 3 to 4 months to see significant results. Testing content and ads was key early on. Focus on one niche, build authority, and choose products that align with your audience's needs. Patience is key. I monitored my cash flow, reinvesting profits, and saving a portion for future investments. With these strategies, you can build a scalable affiliate marketing business too. Stay focused and patient.